I'll start moving the recording. Okay, now back to router number 3. Change setting में नहीं है. Okay, come on, back to work now. Till now, what we have done on router number 2, we have advertised the network 10.1.123.0, and it is in the area 0. And we have also advertised the loopback 2.2.2, which is also present in your area 0. And I'll hit enter here. Okay. Let me go to router number 1 first. Router OSPF1 network 10.1.123.0 0.0.0.255 area 0. Because see here, okay, you can note down this command: show running configuration section OSPF. It is showing that I am running router OSPF1, and what networks I am advertising here is network 1.1.1.0 and network 10.1.14.0, which are present in your area 0. Means I am advertising this network, but router number 1 also has this 10.1.123 network. So I have to also advertise here configure terminal router OSPF1 network is 10.1.123.0. Wildcard must be 0.0.0.255. It is present in your area 0. Enter. Okay. Let me configure out number 3 for you. Show running configuration. Check करते हैं इसमें क्या क्या किया हमने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं किया. No IP address is assigned here. Interface, no IP address, and it is still in the shutdown mode. So configure terminal, no IP, domain lookup, IP address is 10.1.123.3, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. I also have one loopback here with IP address 3.3.3.3, 255.255.255.0. Now I have to run OSPF here. Router OSPF1 network is 10.1.123.0 0.0.0.255 present in your area 0. Enter. Network 3.3.3.0 loading to full. Can you see? 0.0.0.255 area 0. Done. Your OSPF is done. Now let's go to the task. Our task says configure OSPF on all routers, put them into area 0. We already did this. At R2, check the state of the neighbor. वो भी हमने check किया. It was in full state. Remember? Now look for DR, BDR and DR others among router 1, 2 and 3. Let's see at router number 1. Show IP, OSPF, neighbors. Can you see? Router number 4, point to point. This is in full state. Router number 3 is your DR other. And router number 2 is your DR. This is nothing but your router ID. वो सर वापस चला जाएगा ना, देखो नीचे चला गया ना वो. इसको हेलोज मिलती जाएंगी तो ये अप डाउन होता रहेगा. हेलोज विल बी सेंड आफ्टर एवरी 10 सेकंड्स. जैसे 10 सेकंड में उसे हेलो मिली, वो अपने डेड टाइमर को रीसेट कर उससे नीचे चलता रहेगा. Okay, now let's have a look at not at router 4 but at router number 2. Show IP, OSPF, neighbors. He's saying router number 1 is my BDR, backup designator router. Router 3 is your DR router. Okay. Now let's have a look at router number 3. Show IP, OSPF, neighbors. He's saying 1 is my backup designator router and 2 is my designated router. DR BDR का concept clear हुआ इसमें आपको? Okay. Now let's move to task. Change the priority of R2 to 100 to make him DR, but he is already a DR. So let's configure router number 1 and let's change its priority to 100 so that he can become the DR. हमें किस पे जाना है? राउटर नंबर 1 पे. Configure terminal interface F0/0. Command is now I'm changing the priority IP, OSPF, priority question mark. Priority should be 0 to 255. Let's change the priority. By default it is 1. Now let's change it to 100. All right, hit enter. Show IP, OSPF, neighbors. Still no change. Why? Though I have changed the priority, but still router number 1 has not become your designated router. Why? Anyone having any idea? Because I have to restart the OSPF process. इलेक्शन दोबारा हेल्ड करवानी पड़ेंगी. So for that, let me go to this configure terminal, clear IP OSPF process. This is the command. Reset all OSPF processes. Yes. Okay. See, neighbor is down. It should come up. Loading to full. ओके थोड़ा टाइम लिया इसने बट ये वापस आ पाया. पहले क्या हुआ, डाउन चला गया बिल्कुल. फिर इसने डेटाबेसेस को दोबारा सिंक्रोनाइज किया इलेक्शंस के बाद. ये इसका लोडिंग टू फुल स्टेट आ गई. नाउ इफ आई एम राइट नाउ, router number 1 will be your designated router because उसकी the priority we have already set to 100. And your router number 3 should be BDR. Why? Because router number 3 is having highest router ID as compared to your router number 1. And in this case, router 3 will be having the router ID of 3.3.3.3, which is higher than router ID of router 2, which is 2.2.2.2. So let's see. Let me check at router number 3. Show IP OSPF neighbors. Can you see? Router number 1 is my DR and router number 2 is DR other. Is it clear? Okay, now let's check at router number 2. Earlier router 2 was your DR. Show IP OSPF neighbors. Who is the DR? 1. Who is the BDR? 3. Is it clear? Clear or all clear? Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look at our task. Okay. We have changed it. इस टास्क की लॉजिक नहीं गई बिकॉज हमारा राउटर 2 इससे पहले ही आ पाया होगा और DR दिख गया. Okay. इसको सेव कैसे करते हैं? Do you have any idea with help of write command? Okay, एक काम और करते हैं. Let's go at router number 2 and see the routing table. Show IP route. Hit enter. Can you see I have all these O routes. O means OSPF. OSPF. Can you see? 4 routes. 4 routes. Now let me try to ping 3.3.3.3 with the source of 4.4.4.4. Send. Means I am able to ping from this loop back till here. Is it clear? Okay, to save it, the command is write. इस तरह से वो सेव हो जाए. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Any questions you can ask. No questions. Remote centers.
Sir, in OSPF we use Dijkstra's algorithm to calculate shortest path.
Right.
What is the parameter we calculate? It is time delay or the length of wire, something like that.
So the cost of the link.
So cost of the link can be delay, time delay.
No. Cost is something.
Can you explain that cost?
Sir, I told you that the cost of the serial link is 64. Sir, I've already
Okay,
told
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
नीचे से आता है बीच से. Sir, already told them. From 4 to 5. Okay, thank you very much. And now we'll meet at 2. Okay, thank you very much. 2 or 2:10, okay, but not more. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Remote center, now we'll reassemble at 2:10.